Dogs are amazing companions who bring a lot of joy into our lives. They are always happy to see us. And they provide us with unconditional love and support. Owning a dog is a great way to get exercise. And dogs can also help us meet new people. Dogs are always eager to learn new tricks. And they make us laugh with their silly antics. Most importantly, dogs remind us to live in the moment and enjoy the simple things in life. Owning a dog is an incredibly rewarding experience. And I am so grateful for my furry friend. Waterfalls are one of the most incredible things on this earth. They are strong and powerful, yet so graceful and peaceful. They remind us of the strength and power of nature, while also offering a sense of calm, inspiration, and serenity. They are a beautiful sight to behold and a wonderful reminder of the natural world around us. There's nothing quite like the sweet, creamy taste of strawberry ice cream on a hot day. It's the perfect way to cool down and refresh yourself. And it's also incredibly delicious. If you're looking for a way to inspire yourself, why not try thinking about strawberry ice cream?